How are you, my friends? This is another question in the series called ACQ, Algebra Challenging Questions. We have absolute value, we have a polynomial less than or equal to 1, and we need to solve it, find x. Now, it looks ready for case number 2 in the algebra course, lecture 26. See, this is the given here, absolute value x squared minus x minus 1 less than or equal to 1. So in case number 2, absolute value of x, all this expression, c now is 1. So it will be x between minus c and c. So I can apply directly case number 2, x squared minus x minus 1 between minus 1 and 1. Now, there is no way we can solve this unless we split it into two simple polynomial inequalities. We split this part and we split that part, and then we find the intersection. Remember, no need to split if we have a linear. Linear means the power of x is 1. So now let's split it here. Take this one, minus 1 less than that, all of it, intersection. X squared minus x minus 1 less than or equal to 1. Each one, you simplify it separate, you factor it, you make a table of sign. So this one here, bring the minus 1 there. See, if you bring the minus 1 with this, to leave this one positive leading coefficient, it will be greater than 0. You see, x squared minus x minus 1 greater than or equal to that. Bring that one, becomes here plus 1. So this is a 0. We have x squared minus x greater than or equal to 0. And this one, you bring the minus 1 there, still less than 0. We have minus 2. So we need to factor this, do two table of signs. If you need the table of sign, go to lecture 25 in the algebra course. Now we take x squared minus x greater than or equal to 0, factor it, find the zeros, 0 and 1, make small table here, x minus 1, take a number, let's say minus 7, that's minus and minus, between 0 and 1 we take half, that's plus and minus, and this we take a number bigger than 1. So when you multiply, you get plus, minus, and plus, and we need greater and all equal. See, there is no fraction here. Remember, guys, there is no fraction, no denominator. So everything will be closed except infinity and minus infinity. So minus infinity to 0 closed, union 1 closed to infinity. Second one is the same, we factor it. We have a zeros minus 1 and 2, so I put here minus 1 and 2. I put all the factors, x plus 1, x minus 2. Take a number there, minus 10, minus 1 and 2, I take 0, that's plus and minus. So I need the negative closed. You see, closed, no fractions between minus 1 and 2. Now I need the intersection, so I can sketch it on the next slide. Remember, this is the minus infinity to 0. See, this is 0. So I put all the numbers on the number line, minus 1, and then 0, and then 1, and then 2. So minus infinity to 0 closed, 1 closed until infinity. That's the black one, the first. Solution 1. Solution 2, closed from minus 1 until 2. Where is the intersection? Here and there. See, when you have two pieces in the intersection, that means the answer minus 1 closed to 0 closed, union 1 closed to 2 closed. That's the final solution. If you need to see more questions on absolute value inequalities, please, you can visit the playlists, 2 of them, all the exams questions, absolute value inequalities, or the algebra course itself, lecture 26. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, you can subscribe and share it with your friends. I hope I can see you in another video with another topic. Thank you very much.